Good morning, students. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Sahib Bhonde High School digital class. Students, our today's subject is English 1. In English 1, we are going to learn today a lesson from Rapid Reader textbook. Our lesson number for today is 10. That is on page number 27 and 28 in your Rapid Reader textbook. In this lesson, we have a story. Name of the story is, topic of the story is My Pet Dog Robbie. So student, now open your textbook of Rapid Reader and we will read the story and we will learn about the story. Here is the picture from that story. Lesson number 10, My Pet Dog Robbie. Which new words we are going to learn in this chapter? Let's see the sight words. FOLLOWS follows. ANGRY angry. BROUGHT brought. CHAINED chained. HARM harm. OBEY obey. Means whatever your elders are telling, you should listen. That is obeying the parents. CORNER corner. Corner is the small place in your house. SNAKE snake. CRADLE cradle. Cradle is the thing in which little baby is kept. STICK stick. WAGGED wagged means a dog wagged his tails. Now students, we will start reading the story. I have a pet dog named Robbie. He follows me everywhere. A boy is having dog whose name is Robbie. Where the boy goes, dog goes with him everywhere. He is brown in color. Which is the color of the dog? They said, color of the dog Robbie is brown. He has 2 white spots on his ears. You can see his ears of the doggy Robbie in the picture. They have white spots. Robbie loves me and I love Robbie too. What the boy is saying? He loves his pet dog Robbie and Robbie also loves him. But what's he saying ahead? But my mummy does not like dogs. Boy's mummy is not liking any pets or dogs. She was very angry the day I brought Robbie home. Why mummy became angry? Because the boy brought a Robbie home, but mummy does not like dog. Mummy said, keep Robbie chained. He will harm the baby brother. Means what? Boy is having little brother in his house and mama is worried that the Robbie will harm that little brother. Now what boy is thinking? Let's read. Boy is thinking, I did not want to chain Robbie, but I must obey my mummy. So children, what you understood? If you don't like what your mummy is saying, still you have to obey her because mummy is saying something because of some good reasons. So Robbie was chained in one corner of the house. We will see in the next page what happened then. One night, Robbie kept barking. You know children, The noise made by a dog is called barking, or the shouting of a dog is called barking. Barking, barking. I thought Mummy would be angry with Robbie. Because children, you remember last page we read that Mummy does not like Robbie. So, if the Robbie kept barking, Mummy would be angry with him. So, boy went quietly near Robbie to see what was the matter. Matter, matter. So, boy, what he did? He is saying, I went quietly near Robbie to see what was the matter. Oh my God! The boy is thinking why? Because what he saw, let's read. There was a big black snake near the cradle of my baby brother. Oh my God! A black snake near the baby. Daddy too woke up and was quick to kill the snake with a big long stick. Because of barking of Robbie, Daddy also woke up and he came fast near the baby brother. And what Daddy did? He killed the snake with a big long stick. Mummy was pleased with Robbie. Why, children, can you imagine? Because of Robbie, they could save the baby brother from the snake. So now Mummy was pleased with Robbie. She gave him a pat on his back. Mummy was happy, so she gave a pat on Robbie's back and he wagged his tail happily. Because of good pat he got, Robbie was happy and to show his happiness, he wagged his tail. Now Robbie is no more chained. Because of this happened, now Robbie is kept open in the house and Mummy was also happy with the Robbie. Now boy is saying, see what he is saying. He is saying, I love Robbie and now Mummy too loves Robbie. So children, from this story, what we understood is a pet is also a good to be in the house. He can help us and also he loves us. Now, from this story, few questions are given here in your textbook. We will discuss orally these questions. Who is Robbie? Robbie is a pet dog. What color is Robbie? Robbie is brown in color. What does Robbie have on his ears? Robbie is having white spots on his ears. You can see these white spots in the picture given in your textbook. Next question. Who did not like dogs? Boy's mummy doesn't like dogs. We have read this in the story. One more question. Why was mummy angry with the boy? From the story we came to know that boy brought a dog pet, so mummy was angry with him. What did mummy say? Mummy said to the boy, keep Robbie chained. He will harm the baby brother. Did the boy obey his mummy? Yes. Boy was not so happy, but he has to listen what his mummy is saying. So he chained the dog in one corner of the house. What did the boy do when he heard Robbie barking one night? Boy went, he ran fast and he went where the Robbie was barking. So he went near the Robbie. What did the boy see? Boy saw a big black snake near the cradle of his little baby brother. Who killed the big black snake? Boy's daddy also woke up because of barking of the Robbie, and he came fast near the baby brother and he killed that black big snake with the use of long big stick. What did Mummy do to show that she was pleased with Robbie? Mummy gave a pat on Robbie's back and showed that she is now happy with the Robbie. How did Robbie show he too was happy? Because of getting good pat on the back, Robbie was happy and he wagged his tail to show his happiness. Is Robbie chained anymore? No, because Mummy has also loved Robbie and then she also said there is no more chain for Robbie. Students, you have to learn the story again and we will give some assignments with the video. You have to solve that exercises in your English notebook. But first, you have to read the story again and again and practice. So now, if you like the video, please share, subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Have a good day and keep learning and keep playing.